In this video, you'll learn how to request a feedback revision on eBay. This process is essential for sellers who want to improve their ratings and ensure their account reflects accurate feedback from buyers. By following these steps, you can effectively communicate with buyers and increase the chances of a successful revision. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the My eBay section. You can find this option located at the top right corner of the homepage. After clicking on My eBay, look for the Feedback section within the menu. This area contains all the feedback you have received from buyers. Once in the Feedback section, locate the specific feedback that you wish to request a revision for. Take a moment to review the feedback to ensure it is appropriate to request a change. After identifying the feedback, click on the option labeled Request Feedback Revision. This option is typically found next to the feedback entry. Remember, having a valid reason for your request, such as resolved issues or proof of delivery, is important. Next, you will need to compose a brief message to the buyer. In this message, clearly explain why you are requesting the revision. It is beneficial to mention any corrective measures you've taken, such as issuing refunds, sending replacements, or enhancing communication with the buyer. Maintain a respectful and professional tone throughout your message, as this encourages a positive response. After drafting your message, submit the request and monitor your eBay account for any updates. It is crucial to wait for the buyer's response, as they will have the opportunity to agree to the revision. If the buyer accepts your request, the feedback will be automatically updated on eBay. If there is no response after a reasonable period, you may consider sending a polite follow-up message to gently remind them of your request. Avoid sending repeated messages, since this could be perceived as pushy and may negatively impact your seller reputation. Maintaining professionalism during this process is key to fostering a good relationship with your buyers and ensuring your feedback accurately reflects your service. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.